Hello, this is Brian again. Welcome to the next installment on my Monte Cristo hike to Monte Cristo Peak and hopefully make it up to Iron. I feel pretty confident I'm going to make it. Just came up that fire break I pointed out in the last clip. Monte Cristo Peak is this one right here in the foreground. So I just came up, just went down that, and just came up. It's pretty snowy on the way up here. So not deep or anything. It's maybe about an inch to 2 inches in spots. It kind of slows you down a little, but now I'm making my way up towards the junction of the dirt road. It's kind of nice over here. There's no snow on the ground. Once I get up there though, it's probably going to be snowy most of the rest of the way. So I'm just enjoying this little respite. It's not deep snow, but you kind of have to step down a little bit harder to make sure you get a good foothold. It's getting steep again. Oh boy. Oh boy. Whew. Honestly, I'm starting to get hot. Sun's strong this morning. Oh. That over there, looking towards Barley Flats, that area was affected by the bobcat fire, but from what I see over here, I still see a lot of trees that don't look like they got damaged, but it's hard to tell. Pretty sure they saved it, because there's saved parts of it, because there's I think a branch of the sheriff. It's like a mountain rescue team, SAR, search and rescue team over there. It's probably the team that rescued me when I fell off the hill near Mount Wilson back in June 2019. A little out of breath. Last bit was steep. So, I think they came out of Barley Flats. Could have taken that road, but I would have missed Monte Cristo Peak. Glad I didn't miss it, because I don't want to climb that one for a while. Okay, so now we're on another dip. There's Iron right there behind the power lines. So we should be getting fairly close to the road pretty soon. I think I'm just going to follow the road to the backside and take the more gradual approach from the backside, maybe. Sure, it'll be snowy over there. Beautiful, beautiful out here, though. Definitely need to get back into shape. Ooh. Some great views from here, though. Yeah, I think it's Granite Mountain over there. It's from a different angle. So that's Round Top. Actually, not that far from it, but it's, I'd say probably at 45, close to 45, maybe 4,600 feet above sea level. So that'd be another 1,700 feet of gain from here. I don't know if I'm willing to go that far today. I gotta ease back into it, kinda. This isn't really exactly easing, because there's some steep spots along here, but it's definitely worth it. It's totally worth it being out here. Really missed hiking in the Angeles National Forest. Last time I was here was over by Big Pines in Jackson Lake back in mid-November. And that wasn't even for hiking. Took my father out for a ride, and we drove up to the San Gabriels, shot a couple quick videos over there, and then I went to drove him over to the San Bernardinos, but neglected to get out and get any video over there. Went through the Arrowhead area. So didn't really get any hiking in. So this is my first time hiking in Angeles National Forest in 5 months, since my August 31st hike up to Krutka Ridge. Alright, I can see the road getting closer. I'm getting closer to the road. Hopefully the road won't be super steep. I doubt it will be. Nothing like this. So, I have a couple options. I can bear right, go around, take the firebreak up, or I could take the more leisurely approach that winds around at a much easier grade, and then take a probably less steep firebreak approach on the backside. I think I'm going to do the latter part. You'll get a little more mileage in, A, and B, probably be more gradual. Since we're going up a little bit in elevation, snow's starting to get a little deeper. Let's see. I think I'm going to go around Iron Mountain. I think that's what I'm going to do. Might find a place to take a short break and get something to drink. I'm starting to get thirsty. Sure is beautiful out here though. Gosh. It's very highly recommended. Yeah, I know these power lines and stuff might be a turn off to some people, but honestly, I could care less. To me, it's just canyon's beautiful. Part of Mill Creek Canyon. It's beautiful over here, really beautiful. Look at all these young chamise. Chaparral's starting to get thicker too. All this beautiful chamise up here. And I've had the pleasure of germinating chamise too. You can either plant soil, put the seeds in, put a little dry native plant duff on top of it and burn it, or you can put the soil, put some duff, burn the duff, and then plant the seeds on it. So you do have options. If you plant them without doing anything, probably won't get any germination, but I've read that it can happen. But I tried all three. Burning the duff on top of the seeds yielded some results, and then burning the duff and then sprinkling the seeds on top actually yielded even more results. So it is possible to germinate this fire-dependent shrub. What do we got here? I think it's a salt bush. Oh yeah, four-winged salt bush. Hyperplex canescens. Huh, pretty interesting. Yeah, here are the seeds. This is four-winged salt bush right here. Hyperplex canescens. Not sure what variety it is. Some botanists divide it into varieties. Probably variety canescens, but there are a couple other ones too. Okay. Now I'm on the road. I'm gonna go find a shady spot. Because I'm kind of warm and sweaty right now. So, see you on the next clip.